In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a homepage in Notion. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, having a centralized homepage can greatly enhance your productivity and workflow. Let's dive into how you can create this personalized space. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Notion sidebar. Look for the option that says Plus New Page and give it a click. This is where your new journey begins. You'll be greeted with a blank slate, but don't worry, you're about to transform this into a hub of efficiency. Now it's time to give your new page a name. You might choose something like Home, Dashboard, or Workspace Hub. The name is your first step in making it your own, so pick something that resonates with your style. Next, you have the option to add a little flair by choosing an icon and a cover image. This step might seem minor, but adding these visual elements can make navigating back to your page easier and more enjoyable. For example, you could use a house emoji if you named your page Home Dashboard. Not only does this add a personal touch, but it also makes the interface more visually engaging. If you already have a tasks database set up in Notion, here's how you can seamlessly integrate it into your home page. You'll want to create a linked view of that database so you can keep tabs on it without having to navigate away from your central hub. To do this, click in your new page and type Add Linked. This will prompt a menu where you'll select Create Linked View of Database. After you select that, you'll be prompted to choose from your existing databases. Go ahead and select your tasks database or any other database you want handy on your home page. This is a powerful feature because it allows you to interact with your data directly from this central location, giving you at-a-glance access to your to-dos, notes, projects, or any important information you've organized elsewhere in Notion. You can continue to customize this page by adding widgets, text, or additional links that will help streamline your work process. Remember, the beauty of Notion is its flexibility. You can adjust and adapt your homepage to fit your style and change things up as your needs evolve. Feel free to experiment with different layouts, add sections or headers, and rearrange things until it feels right. Congratulations, you've just set up your homepage in Notion. Whether you use it as a dashboard to manage your tasks, a hub to access your projects, or a simple starting point for your daily work, you now have a personalized space that's tailor-made for you. Thanks for joining me in setting up a homepage in Notion. With your new dashboard ready to go, you're all set to boost your productivity and, most importantly, start each day with clarity and focus.